Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating world of computer hardware, understand its key components, and learn why it is essential for every computer user to know about it. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just a technology enthusiast, this video will provide you with all the information you need about computer hardware. Computer hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer system that you can touch and see. These include components like the central processing unit, motherboard, memory modules, storage devices, graphics cards, power supply units, and input and output devices. Each of these components plays a crucial role in making your computer work efficiently. Hardware is different from software, which is the set of instructions that tells the hardware how to perform tasks. The central processing unit, also known as the CPU, is often called the brain of the computer. It performs calculations, executes instructions, and processes data, allowing software applications to function. The motherboard acts as the main circuit board connecting all components, ensuring that they communicate properly. Random access memory, or RAM, is the short-term memory of your computer, helping to run applications smoothly. Storage devices, such as hard drives and solid-state drives, are responsible for storing all your files, operating system, and software applications. Graphics cards handle the visual output and are especially important for gaming, video editing, and 3D rendering. The power supply unit provides electricity to all components, ensuring the system functions without interruptions. Peripheral devices like keyboards, mice, and monitors help you interact with your computer and get the desired output. Do not forget that maintaining your hardware is very important. Dust, overheating, and improper handling can damage components, leading to poor performance or system failure. Regular cleaning, monitoring temperatures, and installing protective software can help extend the life of your computer hardware. Additionally, keeping your drivers updated ensures that hardware and software communicate effectively. Now, if you are enjoying this video, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure to like this video. Share and comment on your thoughts about computer hardware so that we can interact more. Do not forget to turn on notifications so that you do not miss my next video. Motherboards come in various sizes and forms depending on the type of computer, whether it is a desktop, laptop, or server. The choice of motherboard affects which components you can install, such as the type of RAM or CPU socket compatibility. Additionally, the expansion slots and ports allow you to connect external devices and upgrade your system in the future. CPUs and GPUs are constantly evolving. Modern processors are designed to handle multitasking efficiently, providing faster speeds and better energy efficiency. Graphics processing units enhance visual performance and are becoming increasingly important as software applications require higher graphical computations. Understanding your hardware helps you make better decisions when purchasing or upgrading your system. Do not overlook the importance of input and output devices. Keyboards, mice, printers, scanners, and monitors are essential for interacting with your computer system. Without these devices, even the most powerful hardware will not be practical. Ensuring compatibility and ergonomics of these peripherals can greatly enhance your computing experience. In conclusion, computer hardware forms the backbone of every computer system. It allows software to run, data to be stored and processed, and users to interact with their devices efficiently. Understanding hardware helps in troubleshooting issues, optimizing performance, and making informed decisions when upgrading or purchasing computers. Please subscribe to my channel. Make sure to like this video. Share and comment on your experiences with computer hardware so that we can discuss more. Do not forget to turn on notifications so that you do not miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel.